What does it take to transform fresh Coleus roots into a fine, high-quality powder? The answer lies in a carefully controlled process designed to preserve quality at every stage. Coleus, scientifically known as Coleus Forskohlii, has been used in traditional herbal practices for generations. Today, Coleus powder is widely used as an ingredient in nutraceutical, herbal, and wellness formulations around the world. The journey begins with the careful harvesting of mature Coleus roots. Only selected roots are collected to help ensure consistency and quality throughout the production process. After harvesting, the roots are thoroughly cleaned to remove dust, soil, and unwanted impurities. Next comes drying, one of the most important steps in powder production. The roots are dried under controlled conditions to reduce moisture while helping maintain its natural characteristics. Once properly dried, the roots are transferred for grinding. Specialized milling equipment transforms the dried Coleus roots into a fine, uniform powder suitable for a variety of applications. The powder is then sieved to achieve a consistent particle size. To ensure safety and purity, the powder undergoes sterilization to eliminate microbial contaminants while maintaining its nutritional integrity. Every batch is rigorously tested for heavy metals, microbial safety, and quality parameters in our quality control process, ensuring it meets international standards. Finally, our organic Coleus powder is transferred to the packing and storage area and exported worldwide. We offer contract manufacturing and private labeling options packed in pouches, canisters, and in the form of capsules and tablets. We are Medikonda Nutrients,